TOSO, a pioneer in immunoassay automation, presents the latest breakthrough in advanced immunoassay testing with the AIA 2000. It is TOSO's goal to improve immunoassay testing while adding functionality to improve workflow and labor time. The AIA 2000 still uses TOSO's unique test cup immunoassay format and has increased throughput to 200 tests per hour. The user can load up to 960 test cups in a new easy-to-load sorter. This increases walkaway time to approximately 4 hours. With TOSO's expanding test menu, including cardiac markers, tumor markers, thyroid and reproductive hormones, anemia markers, metabolic assays, and more, you can run any test in any combination, in any order, at any time. The AIA 2000 operation is very simple and intuitive. The system is easy to set up and operate and requires no special electrical or plumbing needs. At startup, the operator runs the daily system check. A series of maintenance and checks are performed automatically. The inventory management screen indicates fluid levels, reagent supply and consumable stock, and waste volumes. This enables the operator to check at a glance which items need to be replenished or emptied. In just a few minutes, the system is ready to run samples. To begin testing, the operator simply places barcoded primary sample tubes or sample cups into the barcoded sample racks. If the system is interfaced, the barcoded racks and tubes are read, and the requested assays are performed. For non-barcoded specimens, the operator merely types in the sample ID, and the instrument does the rest. Barcoded and non-barcoded samples can be placed randomly in the racks and will be assayed according to the work list. With continuous loading and random access operation, additional samples and tests can be added at any time without interrupting sample processing. Dilutions and pretreatments are performed on board automatically. Inventory can be replenished as needed without interference to existing sample processing. Multiple stat processing is available on the AIA 2000. To run a stat test, the operator simply chooses the priority rack option and places the sample rack on the instrument. Stat samples designated on the work list will be processed with highest priority. Once stat samples are processed, routine operation resumes automatically with no intervention from the operator. Stat results are listed in a separate window for easy review. At the heart of all TOSO immunoassay systems is TOSO's unique unit dose test cup technology. These time-tested reagents have proven their reliability and stability for over 20 years. Each reagent cup is a completely self-contained single test. No preparation is required. There is no waste, and the dry reagent format requires no onboard refrigeration. And because all tests are run in this standardized format, consistency of operation and results is ensured. Once the reagent tray is loaded in the reagent drawer, the barcodes on the trays and sample cups are read, and the inventory is stored in memory for easy review by the operator. Color coding on the reagent inventory screen indicates whether or not the lot number on board is calibrated. Previously assayed test results can be calculated after calibration if the operator chooses to do so. The AIA 2000 stores calibration curves, and calibration stability is good for 90 days on most assays. To ensure the highest level of result integrity, the AIA 2000 features several built-in safeguards, including conductive disposable pipette tips for automated sample level sensing and elimination of carryover. The system also features TOSO's exclusive clot detection, which will detect a clot at the beginning of the sample processing and again during the wash phase. Daily maintenance on the AIA 2000 is totally automated and requires only 5 minutes per day at system startup. Weekly maintenance requires only a few minutes of operator time and involves a simple cleaning of the wash probe. The AIA 2000 can be bidirectionally interfaced to any LIS system. The software is Windows-based, and the touchscreen monitor allows the operator to control operation from the screen. In addition, help screens are available, providing onboard access to operational and troubleshooting questions. The AIA 2000, a superior design with faster results and higher throughput, helps the operators soar through their immunoassay testing. Primary tube sampling, stat performance, autodilutions, pre-treatment, and reflex testing, and TOSO's unique unit dose test cup technology provide the highest quality and reliability on an easy-to-use system. The AIA 2000. Load samples, press start, and walk away. It's that simple.